Hey everyone, this is Ben, and I want to show you guys what it's like to go on a Christmas bird count. So if you don't know what a Christmas bird count is, it's an annual census put on by the Audubon Society. So each year, volunteers go out from between December 14th to January 5th, and they go to these specific areas on a specific day to count the birds. So they take this data and check on the birds' population and health through the years. So this is the 118th year it's been going on. So if you want to know more about the Christmas bird count, I'll leave a link down in the description for you to read more on. The morning started off at meeting around 6 o'clock. I met up with Brad, Jeff, David, and Joel, and we got to our first owling spot at around 6:45. We were able to pick up great horned owl and barred owl before going to our first big stop on a farm, which the owners kindly let us use.
Who's with him? Who's got the white head with him? Is that white fronted? Brad, what is that? Yeah, the white fronted would only be white on the front of the head.
We decided to call that goose a hybrid.
Looking for a road runner.
He sure was a wily coat, he wasn't.
We ended our stop at the farm with 47 different species at 9:43, and then we were off to different spots in our section to see what else we could find. I don't think I want to play any video games in there.
Video games. It's more like a horseshoe. It's a North-End Tavern video games.
That's a licensed gambling establishment.
Or not.
And now it was time for lunch. Thanks for David for suggesting and picking up lunch for us. With our stomachs full of fried chicken and cobbler, we were off to check out some more ponds to see if we could pick up any waterfowl. Our list was now at 57 species, and we're hoping to round off the day at 60. We didn't have that much luck on the ponds, so we decided to head back to the farm that we were at in the morning. Hopefully to pick up something that we missed. Our list was now at 59 species. And as we're walking, boom, out of the brush comes
Coopers. Yeah. You must have had something down there. All right.
These are Savannah sparrows.
The Cooper's hawk was our 60th species of the day. We walked around the farm to around 4:30. We ended up calling it a day. But before we said our final goodbyes, we stopped at a local waterfowl hotspot to check up on some ducks. This was outside of our section, unfortunately, so we couldn't count them officially.